Hello everybody and welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're going to be bringing you the Multibar set of tracks. This is a heavy duty set of tracks that is manufactured with high quality rubber compounds, as well as you have those continuous steel cables running throughout the track. This is going to help ensure a longer life as well as less breakdown on that rubber over time, so you're going to get the most life out of your tracks before needing replacements. This is a fantastic set of tracks if you're doing any landscaping work or work on people's yards where you need minimal ground disturbance, less tear on that ground, less footprint, as well as giving you a good amount of traction. So you also will be able to use these in dirt, snow, any application that you may be slipping around with other set of tracks, such as like a block or something like that, where you're not getting as much groove in the tread pattern and a lot of grip and bite. So on the multi-bar set of tracks, these are broken down into smaller pieces of tread running across each side of the tracks, not directly across, but on each side, left and right. And it goes every other from a skinnier piece to a larger piece. And those skinnier pieces are about a ½ inch and the larger piece is about 1 inch wide. Again, this is a very heavy duty set of tracks that is going to last you a very long time before it's balding or tearing or needing replacements. And from the bottom to the top of the tread here, you've got 2 inches of rubber, and then that tread itself is going to be about 1.5 inches tall if you were to measure from the bottom to the top of that tread. Again, these are going to be very, very good in your lawn care or your landscaping jobs. So when you're riding along on the ground surface, you're not going to be leaving that large footprint or tearing up those yards, which is going to be very nice because you're not going to have to go back and clean up the yards, do any, raking or land planting or anything like that. You're just going to be able to go onto those, get the job done, no problem. If you were to look underneath here, we've got the rubber coating over that metal portion where your undercarriage rides and where your sprocket rides along. This is going to help prevent wear and tear on your undercarriage. So on your sprocket, typically what we see is the teeth on the sprocket eventually dull or shorten those teeth. So the track's going to ride a little less smooth, and you might have a little bit of jumping or something like that if your undercarriage is wearing fast. Well, with these tracks, we're going to help prevent that wear and tear. That way you're getting the longest life you can out of your undercarriage and, of course, the track. An application that I would say these are not going to be the best in is going to be your scrap yards, construction site, or maybe even some pretty heavy-duty forestry work. Just because you've got these small pieces of tread with, a decent amount of groove in between each one, and it's broken down into lots and lots of little pieces of tread here. So if you do get sharp rocks, or you do get metal scraps, or you do hit a nail or anything like that, you're going to probably cause a little bit more wear and tear on the rubber on that tread than you would with something like a block that's more designed for that application. Again, you're going to get fantastic float, a very smooth ride with these tracks, which is going to be really, really nice when you're just trying to do that stuff on, precious surfaces such as somebody's lawn, etc. This set of tracks here, we do offer free shipping on. So if you do get a pair of tracks, you are able to get the free shipping, of course, and then we typically can ship them out the same day, depending on when you get them ordered, and if not, for sure the next day. So if your machine is down and you're needing replacement tracks, as soon as you possibly can get them, you can give us a call and we can get these out the door right away for you. And typically the shipping is not too long, so you can be back up and running very, very soon. If you are interested or have any questions, feel free to give us a call here. Our number is 866-315-3134, or you can click the link in the description below. This is going to pull up the page for the set of tracks that may have additional features or specs on the tracks you may be looking for, as well as some additional photos. Thank you all very much for watching. We do appreciate it, and you all have a great rest of your day.